Middle shelf. Retracting the jack on the platform. Pull out the bracket to be withdrawn and adjust the direction. Reuse the boom jack on the return forklift. Attach the bracket to the return forklift and lock it securely. Electric tractors transport the bracket to the popular triangle point. Load the bracket into the flatbed through the loading device. When the multifunctional undercover machine is towed and transported to the bracket assembly hall, decomposition. Load away. After the bracket is withdrawn, self-moving set the cover bracket forward to the withdrawn bracket position. Timely support roof. The support width is exactly the width of a set of brackets. Self-ceremony special cover bracket push jack. Launch the return platform 1.5 meters in turn. In order. Wheel self-ceremonial special cover bracket. Pull out the layout. And raise the supporting roof. According to this method, turn the transition bracket of the working surface. The ordinary bracket has been recycled. In the process of retracement, heavy rails also use multifunction retracement forklifts. Load away. Finally, recover all retracement equipment, loading and lifting. Retracement ends.